Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified, where we break down complex topics into easy steps. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, transferring Bitcoin securely is a must-know skill, especially with the evolving tech in the crypto space. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this in just a few minutes, saving you time and potential headaches. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up and your Bitcoin ready to move. In 2025, Coinbase has streamlined its interface for better security and speed, so let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using two-factor authentication. It's crucial for protecting your assets from hackers. Once you're in, head over to the Assets tab and select your Bitcoin wallet. You'll see your current balance there. Next, you need the destination wallet address. This is the address of the wallet where you want to send your Bitcoin. Double-check this address because mistakes here can lead to permanent loss. Always verify it matches the one from your other wallet app or exchange. Step 2. Click on the Send or Transfer button next to your Bitcoin balance. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Step 3. Input the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might vary based on network congestion, so check the estimated fees before proceeding. They're usually displayed right there. If you're using a hardware wallet for extra security, this is a great time to confirm. After that, review all the details carefully. Coinbase will show you a summary of the transaction, including the amount, fees, and final recipient. Hit Confirm and authorize the transfer, possibly with a PIN or email verification. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. On the Bitcoin network, this can take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain's speed. A quick tip. Always transfer a small test amount first if you're dealing with a new wallet to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, with 2025's enhanced regulations, keep an eye on any KYC requirements. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and you're now one step closer to managing your crypto like a pro. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.